They call it vibe coding, generating code with a prompt. But vibes don't keep critical infrastructure running. Let's stress test the logic.
7 weeks. From his very first line of code to 280,000. All of it written with AI. But Brad M. Lindsey didn't come up through software. He came up behind the wall. 20 years a Master Electrician and HVAC tech in federal facilities, where what's behind that wall has to do exactly what the paperwork says, or people get hurt. So before he'd call a single line of it real, he built the receipts. Because AI-built work breaks 3 ways. It drifts toward whatever the model decides is reasonable. Claims inflate. The same AI that writes the code writes the docs, and a demo starts sounding like a shipped product. And provenance evaporates. The history is gone, and no one can say why a decision was ever made. Drift, inflation, lost provenance. 3 ways to lie to yourself, without ever meaning to. So he built one discipline to kill all 3. The Lindsey Provenance Discipline. Phase chain freeze. Lock a phase, and it can't be quietly rewritten. That's drift. Dead. A 6-state proof state ledger. Every claim earns its way from asserted to proven. That's inflation. Dead. And a closed form reroute at intake, checked against the rules before the work even starts. Provenance, from line 1. One rule above all of it. A claim can't advance until it's proven. Open source, MIT. Out in the open. And none of it runs on trust. Every decision lands in an append-only ledger. You can add to it, you can't rewrite it. The whole chain is signed, 152 cryptographic signatures deep, then anchored to things that can't be faked. A public commit, a paper's timestamp, a witnessed receipt. Not one of them can be backdated. That's the line between a claim and proof. And this isn't a thread, it's on the record. Published papers, each with a permanent DOI. A public repo, open to clone tonight. And it has already done real work. Inside a federal facility, across 438 maintenance packets, a documented workload cut by 35%. Presented to management, on paper, before any of it went public. The discipline isn't the pitch, it's the proof. Built, signed, published. Proven once, in the field. But one line remains to cross. Physical reality. One printed lattice, one sealed prediction, written down and signed before a single measurement exists. If the physics matches, the discipline made an honest claim. If it doesn't, that failure is the loudest proof yet that it is real. Either outcome is information. Next, it meets the physical world.